Alright, 2001 Jetta TDI. My trunk latch doesn't operate anymore from the by using the switch in the door or the remote. Here's the problem here. If you take off that furry thing underneath the trunk lid, you'll expose the guts of the lock mechanism, and this little thing here, this metal thing is called a carrier plate, and that's what it carries right here. There's a little part that breaks. You can see I did a repair job on it right there. And this over here is a solenoid, which you poke your button, that comes out like this, and it operates this thing back and forth, which opens your latch. Anyways, what I used to fix it was Q-bond. I found out about this on Scotty Kilmer's channel. Bought this off eBay for 10 bucks. It's crazy glue. I glued my part back on with it, and in this bottle, the powder, sprinkle the powder across your crack there, and then you put a few drops on your powder, and instantly the powder hardens like hard as rock. So that acts as a reinforcing. So I'm going to try that out for this part. The only problem is this part is riveted on this piece here. That's why they sell it all one piece. I don't want to fool around with drilling that out. So I'm going to have a hard time getting that Q-bond on the back part of that crack there. But I'll give it a shot, and I'll write it down below as far, how it worked for me. Alright. Happy fixing with your Volkswagen.